Myntri Rangbah jong sorkar Jylla, Conrad Sangma menhakasngi balang jong katei balala, ulayok benlit jurip di skul Shohphria Govt LP Skul kaba hapoh West Khasi Hills. Kabadai ka skul kaba udasai naka tulop ban theh kyrpang ban shna pynbha ban pynbang iaka kam jong katei ka skul. Hakatei ka jinglet jurip jong Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla, lasan ranlang ru ameli jong ka NONGSTOIN uba makmilan bersat, Myntri jong ka sorkar Jylla uba mebba lingdo bat kiwei. Conrad Sangma ulayok ban sam ye jing ais ngobha bat ban ya phliu jing mut bat ki khna jong katei ka skul bat kinu hikai bat ulayok ru ban kular biang ban yarap na ka benta ki kam ki ba katei ka skul kadan kam. Lakentu ru ye ki wei pat ki para minister bat emeli bakin don ka benta ban shem ka jingkit kli na ka benta ban nok jing yarap ya kanu ka skul hapoh ka Jylla khnang ba kan long ka jing mentoi ye ki khna bat ki bor penyan jong ki skul.
We visited the Shohphria LP School. It's a school that was adopted by me last year, where we had given 1 month of salary to improve the infrastructure. So I decided that I'll come back here and see the school and see what more can be done. And clearly there is a lot more to be done out here. So the school managing committee, the headmaster and the teachers have told me about the difficulties they face in terms of the limited classrooms, the fencing in the school, boundary that's required, teachers shortage required, and maybe some option for some nursery schools or nursery classes also. So I've taken note of that, and we will try to do whatever we can. And as I said, I keep urging all our other legislatures also, officials also, and other citizens of the state, that I think if all of us adopt a school in this manner and we give whatever we can, it's not something big that you need to give, but whatever you can, I think it'll make a big difference in the children's lives. So once again, I urge our citizens of our state who can afford to, you should adopt a school and try to give whatever you can so that we can make a difference in the children's lives.